Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel AAK Technology Partner. Today we will be learning about HIKVISION devices like the fingerprint devices or the face recognition devices, or you can say even card devices have the same functionality. Here we will use DSK1T341 AMF because it's already configured with me. I will be sharing you the pictures of this later in this video. We have assigned a particular IP already, and we will use this IP to configure using iVMS. This is our tool, iVMS. It's again an HIKVISION tool, iVMS 4200. The version is 3.10. We will be first going to the main page. This will be the main page. Once you install and go one step by step on certain configurations, you will go to device management. Here you see there will be devices which you have already added. We had added one office device. So here we'll go to online, and here you find all the devices which are there in the network. So as you see, the device is already listed here, but I will add the device manually as well for you to be very clear on the options which will arise, which will appear. Okay, so we'll go add over here. You can just make this resolution smaller and bigger, and then it will come back to the same thing. So we will use this as test device, and we'll put the IP 192.168.100.66 as mentioned. Username would be admin, and this password is the password when you had used to activate the device. So this would be as I have mentioned in SADP tool while activation, and I will make sure that I do synchronize the time, and I will put add. When I do this, you will see that the device automatically comes to online status. So here we have completed the process of adding the device to the computer or to the server. Now our next step would be going to persons and adding the persons manually. Okay, how we will do that? We will add the users. Here we will put it as like test user, and all the other details you can fill in. Card, as soon as you choose card here, you should make sure that you read the card using the fingerprint device. If it's a card device, face device, it's 99% that it will have card recognition as well. So how will you do that? You'll have to go to settings, and you will choose the card reader option here, and you'll choose the name of the device what you have configured, and then you'll press OK. Then you'll read the card. Okay, the device will read the card here indefinitely, and you can press on add. Say for example, once it presses, once you add it, it will come over here and you can save it. Same thing goes to fingerprint, and same thing goes to iris. So here we have a photo which we can add also for face recognition devices basically. So here we'll add or upload a picture. We'll search for a passport size picture of the particular employee, and then you can add the user accordingly. So what I will do right now is like I'll add a user, and I will do the configuration. As you can see, this is one step to add the users. The other step to add the users is just adding the users directly by the device. I will show this to you in our next video on how to add users directly from the access controller. Okay, in this scenario we have added some users inside the device, so we will use get from device. After we get this or press this particular button, we'll get one pop-up which says to enter. So we'll enter. You can see it's importing the users. There are two users which are there. So in this scenario you can see these have got entered. Okay, now our next step, as I informed, would be giving access of these users to our device. So we'll go to access control right over here, the tab which is over here, access control, and we'll go to authorizations, and we'll click on access group. Here we will put the access group as full access because we need full access to the devices, and we'll choose the employees who needs access to this particular door. So we see here we have uh, two users. We will press this and this, and then we will choose the device which we have added. So you see the test door is over here. So as you can see, this device it appears over here. So we click on save, and then we'll make sure we check this and we click on apply changes to device. It takes a bit of time and then it gets registered. So as you can see now, if you have to check whether the door is opening or not, you will go to monitoring, and as and when somebody logs in, you'll get the report of the login right over here. Thank you. Please subscribe to AAK Technology Partner for more videos on different devices. Thank you very much.